Unleash your genius, a journey to your zone. This is not just a path you walk, it's an adventure that transforms your life. We all possess a zone of genius. It's a unique space where our innate abilities and deepest passions converge. It's the sweet spot, where our natural talents, passions, and purpose align. Imagine doing what you love, and being so good at it, that it feels almost effortless. In this zone, we experience effortless joy, and make our greatest contributions to the world. It's where our work feels like play, and our efforts create ripples of positive impact. It's where time seems to disappear, and we're fully immersed in the present moment. Hours can pass like minutes when you're in your zone of genius. Embracing your zone of genius is about aligning with your authentic self and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. It's about being true to who you are and what you are meant to do. This journey begins with a deep understanding of your unique gifts and how they can be of service to others. It's about recognizing your strengths and using them to make a difference. It requires courage to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace your true potential. You must be willing to step out of your comfort zone and face your fears. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and ultimately, liberation. As you navigate this path, you'll uncover layers of yourself you never knew existed, and you'll find a deeper sense of purpose and joy. Along the way, you'll encounter challenges and obstacles, but each one is an opportunity to grow and learn. Embrace these moments, for they are the stepping stones to your greatness. Remember, your zone of genius is not just about personal success, it's about contributing to the greater good. When you thrive, you inspire others to do the same. So take the first step on this incredible journey. Discover your zone of genius and let it guide you to a life of passion, purpose, and fulfillment. The world is waiting for your unique gifts. Unleash your genius and embark on the journey to your zone. Your adventure awaits. Beyond competence, mapping your zones of ability. To reach our zone of genius, we must first understand the different zones we operate in. This journey begins with self-awareness and a willingness to evaluate our strengths and weaknesses honestly. These zones, as outlined in the Big Leap, include zones of incompetence, competence, excellence, and genius. Each zone represents a different level of ability and satisfaction in our tasks and activities. The zone of incompetence represents tasks we're not naturally good at and don't enjoy. These are activities that drain our energy and often lead to frustration and inefficiency. The zone of competence encompasses activities we can do proficiently but without much passion. These tasks are within our skill set, but they don't excite or inspire us. We can perform them adequately, but they don't bring us joy or fulfillment. The zone of excellence is where we shine, effortlessly performing at a high level. In this zone, we are highly skilled and often receive recognition and rewards for our work. However, even though we excel, we might still feel that something is missing. However, it's important to note that our zone of excellence isn't always our zone of genius. The zone of genius is where our true potential lies, where our unique talents and passions intersect. It's the work that not only we are best at but also brings us the most joy and fulfillment. While we may excel in certain areas, they might not ignite the same passion and fulfillment as our true genius work. Identifying and operating in our zone of genius allows us to experience a deeper sense of purpose and satisfaction in our professional and personal lives. It requires introspection, courage, and a commitment to pursuing what truly makes us come alive. Flow and fulfillment. Hallmarks of your genius zone. The zone of genius is characterized by a state of flow, where we're fully immersed in an activity, losing track of time and feeling energized. In this zone, we tap into our innate creativity and produce our most innovative work. We experience a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment, knowing that we're making a meaningful contribution. This zone is not about perfection but about embracing the journey of growth and exploration. It's about aligning with our passions and using our unique talents to make a positive impact on the world. Inner obstacles conquering self-doubt and imposter syndrome. One of the biggest barriers to reaching our zone of genius is ourselves. Self-doubt, fear of failure, and imposter syndrome can hold us back from pursuing our true calling. We may question our abilities, compare ourselves to others, or worry about what others will think. These internal obstacles are often rooted in limiting beliefs we've developed over time. We may have been told we're not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. These beliefs can become self-fulfilling prophecies, preventing us from taking risks and pursuing our dreams. Section 5. External distractions. Navigating societal pressures and demands. In addition to internal barriers, we also face external pressures that can distract us from our zone of genius. Societal expectations, financial concerns, and the demands of daily life can pull us in different directions, making it challenging to prioritize our passions. We may feel pressured to pursue a certain career path, even if it doesn't align with our values or interests. We may be afraid to take risks or pursue unconventional paths, fearing judgment or disapproval from others. Section 6. The Comfort Trap: Why Excellence Can Limit Your Potential. Ironically, one of the biggest obstacles to reaching our zone of genius is our comfort in the zone of excellence. This is where we perform well, receive accolades, and feel a sense of achievement. However, this comfort can be deceptive. We may excel in certain areas, receiving praise and recognition for our abilities. This external validation can be incredibly satisfying, reinforcing our belief that we are on the right path. However, this comfort can become a trap, preventing us from exploring our true potential. The fear of stepping into the unknown can hold us back, making us hesitant to leave the safety of our established success. Staying in our zone of excellence may seem safe and secure, but it can also lead to stagnation and a lack of fulfillment. Over time, the initial excitement of our achievements can fade, leaving us feeling unchallenged and uninspired. To truly grow and reach our full potential, we must be willing to step outside of our comfort zones and embrace the unknown. This means taking risks, facing new challenges, and being open to failure. It's in these moments of uncertainty and discomfort that we discover our true capabilities. By pushing beyond our limits, we can unlock new levels of creativity, innovation, and personal growth. So, while excellence is commendable, it's important to recognize when it becomes a barrier to our greater potential. Embrace the journey of continuous growth and never settle for just being excellent. Aim for greatness. Section 7. Uncovering Your Genius: A Journey of Self-Discovery. Discovering your zone of genius is a journey of self-discovery. It involves reflecting on your passions, values, and natural talents. Ask yourself, what activities bring you joy? What are you effortlessly good at? What impact do you want to make on the world? Engage in activities that spark your curiosity and ignite your passion. Experiment with different skills and explore new interests. Pay attention to the moments when you feel most alive and energized. These are clues pointing you towards your zone of genius. Section 8. The Power of No Delegating and Prioritizing Your Genius. Once you have a clearer understanding of your zone of genius, it's crucial to prioritize it. This means learning to say no to activities that don't align with your purpose. Delegate tasks that can be done by others, freeing up your time and energy for your genius work. Saying no can be challenging, especially if you're used to pleasing others. However, it's essential for protecting your time and energy. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Section 9. Facing Your Fears. Embracing vulnerability on the path to genius. Stepping into your zone of genius requires courage and vulnerability. You may encounter fears of failure, judgment, or not being good enough. Embrace these fears as part of the journey. Remember that growth and learning involve taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Don't let fear paralyze you. Acknowledge your fears, but don't let them hold you back. Embrace the unknown with curiosity and a willingness to learn and grow. And Section 10. Cultivating a Genius Mindset: Daily Habits for Peak Performance. Living in your zone of genius is an ongoing practice. Cultivate daily habits that support your well-being and enhance your creativity. Prioritize activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Make time for reflection, meditation, or spending time in nature. Engage in regular physical activity to boost your energy levels and reduce stress. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth and celebrate your successes. Section 11. Genius in Action: Inspiring Examples of Living in the Zone. Countless individuals throughout history have embraced their zone of genius, making significant contributions to the world. Oprah Winfrey, a master communicator, has used her platform to inspire millions. Albert Einstein, with his groundbreaking theories, revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Malala Yousafzai, a fearless advocate for education, has demonstrated the power of one person's voice. These individuals, each in their unique way, exemplify the transformative power of aligning with one's zone of genius.